Hello, everyone. Once again, you're welcome to FTGFs Weekly Market Outlook. And what we do is we analyze the market and share with you potential market moves that can have, impact in the markets. Okay, and we are looking at moves from the forex market, crypto market, commodities market, stocks market. The financial markets as a whole. Okay, and the platform or the broker we are using, using to illustrate or share with you these moves is Ingot Brokers. Now, Ingot Brokers is multi-regulated, so you can go to sleep and not stress over regulations, problems with them. Regional partner of La Liga, also established in 2006. So I can confidently tell you that you can relax. Okay. Now, with our analysis, we look at technical analysis, we look at fundamental analysis. Okay, so first of all, we are going to look at the fundamental analysis bits, and then later we'll come back to look at the technical analysis bits. So when you visit ingot.io, okay, www.ingot.io, this beautiful page will pop up. If you don't have an account, log in. You create an account right away. If you already have an account, like I said, we look at fundamentally, we are going to look at events that are going to affect the market in the coming week. So you move the mouse here, resource hub, okay, then you scroll down, you select economic calendar like this. So with economic calendar, you're going to look at news or potential news that would affect the market. And next week we are going to have, click here and then you select next week like this. Okay, so 2nd June, that is Monday. We have news coming out from Switzerland, GBP, a whole lot of news coming up. Okay, Bank of England mortgage approvals. We have news coming from the Eurozone, ISM manufacturing PMI from the US, which is very, very important. On Tuesday, we have news coming from Australia, Switzerland as well. We have unemployment rate news coming from the Eurozone. We have jobs, openings from US is very, very important. Okay. On Wednesday, we have a whole lot of news coming up, but I'm interested in Bank of Canada interest rates coming up. This is Bank of Canada interest rates coming up on Wednesday. So if you are trading CAD pairs or Canadian dollar pairs, you need to be mindful on Wednesday and manage your risk well, because when news like this are coming, we have a lot of volatility in the markets. US news also coming up, and then I think on Thursday we have news from Australia as usual. We have interest rates also coming up from the Eurozone. Okay, it's very, very important. Okay, interest rate news are very, very, very important. So you need to be mindful of US Euro pairs that you might be trading in the coming week. It's very, very important to pay good attention to that. And Friday, because this Friday is the first Friday in the month of June, you should be ready for NFP, almighty NFP. Okay, we have unemployment change from Canada. We also have unemployment rates. News coming for US, also non-farm payroll. So, you need to be mindful of Euro pairs, USD pairs, Canadian dollar pairs in the coming week. For me, in the forex market, I would like us to look at Euro USD, and then in the crypto market, we look at BTCUSD. In the commodities market, we look at gold. Okay, so these are just for weekly market outlook. But then you can reach out to me. Anywhere on the internet, and then I would also share with you daily market moves, daily market analysis, and all. Now, talking about daily market analysis and all, Ingot Brokers has two main sources of trading signals that you can make good use of. So let me show you the first one. If you log into your account, okay, you see dashboard, account, fund management, or you scroll down to resources. You click on resources, and then you would then see trading signals. Okay, so we have these signals telling you. So in the forex market, you have trading signals, commodities, indices, and all. So let's say AUD/USD market, it tells you the entry price. Okay, so the price that you should enter, price you should take your loss, price you should take your profits, and all. That is in your dashboard, Ingot Brokers dashboard. That's where you see that. If you also open your MT5, Ingot Brokers MT5, when you create an account, you come down here, you see news. Click on the news. I mean, you can pull it up a little bit. Let's say USD JPY, as we can see here. You double click on it. Okay, and then when you double click on it, now it's telling you that USD JPY intraday, our next up target stands at this. So just telling you that, I mean, they are, or the signal is looking out for a buy. Okay, the preference is our up next target, so that is a buy signal. Okay, let me look out for ones with charts. Sorry. Okay, good. So Euro USD like this. It's saying as long as the resistance, look for, so resistance, I mean the highest price, that is 1.373 as indicated here. Then it's telling you that the target or the take profit target should be down here. Okay, now you can scroll down and look at the, I mean, the explanation of the signals, which is very, very important as well. So yes, that was just, by the way, how to assess this signal. If you're also a new trader that you want to also copy trades from experts, you come here, log into your dashboard, come to copy trading, and then you can also copy trades from experts. Partnership, you want to earn commissions or earn some money whilst you are not actively trading or referring people, come to partnership, you scroll down, and then you apply here. That is it. Now let's get back to, so fundamentally we've looked at, I mean, the opportunities or the news coming up in the markets. So technically we now go to our MT5. Okay, so we pick Euro USD. Okay, let me scroll down. So it's just, I mean, it's just a weekly market outlook. We are going to choose a 4-hour time frame. So if you look at this, a moment. Okay, so if you look at this closely, okay, it tells you that the market has been ranging for some time now. Okay, so how do we even identify the ranging market or where the prices have been ranging? If you look at this closely, okay, realize that price here, right? If you look at this closely, realize that price got rejected here first. Okay, and then currently price has rejected a price at this point. Okay, so this is the resistance. Price came up, got rejected, it crossed the resistance, down to the downside, rejected, it came down, it came up again, it got rejected. Now if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, you wait for the resistance to get broken to the upside, and then you place your buy trade. Okay, and then you ensure you have your stop loss in there, take profit in there as well. If you're a trader also looking out for a sell opportunity, either you can wait for the price to go back and get rejected by the resistance, or you can, I mean, assume this rejection is still valid and then place your sell trade, have your stop loss above the resistance, take profits, I mean, in the down direction. Okay, so this is an opportunity in the Euro USD pair. If you are looking at gold as well, gold has been in an uptrend for a very long time. But like I said, for our weekly market outlook, we are just going to pick a 4-hour time frame and then see how best we can see some good opportunities there. Here, if you look at this closely, you realize that the gold market, I mean, has been in a downtrend, short downtrend for some time now. Okay, where the down move started from here. Okay, the downward move started from here, and then price got rejected here, and then thirdly price got rejected here as well. So now if you're a trader basically looking out for a buy opportunity, you can buy when the price breaks this downtrend line, okay, to the upside. Then you can place your buy trade and ensure you have proper risk management, starting from your lot size, your stop loss, take profit, and all. If you're looking out for a sell opportunity, looking at the price being rejected by this downtrend line, you can choose to, I mean, head straight into your selling, or you can wait for price to go back again, get rejected by this downtrend line, then you place your sell trade. Okay, now let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin in a 4-hour market. in a 4-hour chart. A moment. Okay. Sorry. So okay. So Bitcoin in a 4-hour chart. This is how I use like. Okay. Currently, if you look at it closely, okay, the uptrend line has been broken to the downside. So first, it started here, and then the uptrend line rejected a price here. Secondly, and then thirdly, price got rejected here. Now, when it got to this point, price broke this uptrend line to the downside. As you can see, the price, coming down to this point. So if you are a trader and you're looking out for a sell opportunity, you can place your sell trade and have your stop loss, above the uptrend line. Okay, but in all of these, like I said, ensure you have proper risk management where your risk to reward ratio is properly in check. If you're also looking out for a buy opportunity, you can wait for this price to break this uptrend line. Okay, that's when you can place your buy trade. Okay, so once again, thank you very much for joining me. And like I said, if you are using Ingot Brokers platform, you have a lot of opportunities is you have free education where you can reach out to me and access the free education, resources like trading signals. You can copy trades from experts as well. Okay, catch you next week. Feel free to reach out to me on social media platforms and let's keep going from there. Bye bye.